In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious strawberry banana smoothie. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 8 strawberries quartered, 1 banana, a quarter cup of orange juice, and half a cup of ice. In a blender, we're going to add the orange juice, bananas, and the strawberries, and blend until completely smooth. Once smooth, we're going to add in the ice and continue blending. Our smoothie is complete, and now you can pour it out into a glass. Our strawberry banana smoothie is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy!